Hi, this is Chris from Duffy Floors. We're back here at the water damage kitchen project we've been working on. I'm now patching in the boards. I've cut everything, measured everything, and cut everything. We're just fitting them all together with the tongues and grooves, getting them snug. This is an old timer porta nailer. What I like about this is it gets into tight spaces and you can hit it many times. You always want to keep your nails at least every 6 to 8 inches or so for good mechanical fastening to the subfloor. This one's going to be a tricky one to fit in. Alright, well, we're going to have to go get some tapping blocks so we can fit these in because I like everything to fit real tight. So we'll be right back.